Okay, so now we are going to discuss how to send an email. So to send an email, you need to click on Compose, and a Compose window will pop up. This is where you can write this is where you can enter your recipients, the subject, the body of your email or the content, and then email formatting or format your email. So to access the formatting options, you need to click on this portion here. This is formatting options. This one is for the undo and the redo. So if you already know the Control Y and Control C, don't really need to press these options. This one is for the fonts. So these are the fonts that Google has provided. You can select any font from here. So let me just try. Okay. So I have 4 nice here. I'll use wide. Okay, so that's what's going to happen. And then next is the font size. So there are 4 types of font size. We have the small, normal, large, and huge. Small is usually used for disclaimers. Normal, this is the default one. Should use the normal size. Large is for email sections, and then huge for emphasis or important words. So for this one, say small. This one normal. This one large. This one huge. So that's how it will look like. And then next is the font style. So you can you can change the style of your fonts. Can click on B for bold, this one for italic, and this one for underline. So Control B. Okay. This one Control I. Click this one. Then this one Control U. Okay. Now if you would like to change the background color or the text color of your font or your text, you can click on this one here, the text color and the background color. Let's just say, for example, this one, this text. Change the background to yellow. Change the text to purple. There you go. And then we have the alignment. Okay, so next is alignment. So let's try this one. Right align. This one center. And then this one left align. So that is how it's going to look like. And next is numbering and bullets. So this one, numbering. You use numbering if you want to show ranks or order. And you use bullets if ranks and order doesn't matter, but you want to list them. And then indentation. Click this one if you don't want to indent. Less indentation. And then more indentation. Less, more, less, more. Okay? So if you're going to click this arrow down, you can access the remove formatting, strike through, and quotation. So let's remove the formatting. And then let's add quotes. So quotes are used to quote someone or emphasize a text. And then strike through are usually used to indicate the deletion of an error or the removal of text in a draft. And this is important for someone who proofs a written material. Now, since we're done with formatting options, let's proceed with attachment. So if you would like to attach a file, you can click on Attach File, and then select the file, and then click on Open. It is then going to upload your email. And if you want to add more files, you can click Attach Files, and then select one or more. And then they will be uploaded to your email. You can remove them if you don't want to use them or attach them. You can also insert emoji to your email, but please make sure to limit your emoji to 10. And then click on G Drive if you have files from G Drive that you would like to be inserted or attached to your email. So for example, I want to insert this one to insert it as a drive link. Okay, and then insert there. So you can delete that one if it's not very important. Next is you can also insert a photo. So click on Insert Photo. You can insert photo from your albums, or you can upload a photo from your computer, or you can insert photo by pasting an image URL. And then you click Insert when you are done. So I don't need a photo in my email right now, so I'm not going to use that. Next is the confidential mode. If you want to restrict your email, you can set the confidentiality mode. So by clicking this one, you can then access the confidential mode. This means that the recipient cannot forward, copy, print, or download the email that you are going to send to them. You can also set the expiration and even require a password for your recipient. So if you're going to set the expiration, click on this one, and there you go. And then require passcode, and then click on Save. And then you can also edit your confidentiality mode just in case you forget. Okay, save. And then finally, if you would like to add a signature, you can click on the Insert Signature, which is a pen, and then select your signature. There. So that's your signature. And there. So now we are going to go to the email recipients. So this is the from is your email address. If you have a lot of email addresses, you can select which email address you're going to use to send your email from. The two is the primary recipient. That means he or she is the intended person that's going to receive your email. Now, if you're going to send your email address to a lot of recipients, primary recipients, click on two, and then click on all contacts, and then just add them there. Okay, insert. The CC or the carbon copy is your secondary recipient. Uh, they are not the intended recipient, but they should know the information that you're going to send. So you can also click on the CC or search for names. Make sure it's all contacts. Search for names. There. Insert. And then the BCC is blind carbon copy. It allows the sender to send a message to conceal the person entered in the BCC field from other recipients. So click, same thing. Okay. Indent. Mm-hmm. Okay. Now you're ready to send. So you can now send your email, but you would like to schedule it first for Monday. So you can click on schedule. Hold on, schedule, pick a date and time. Monday at 8 a.m. Then schedule send. If you'd like to access your scheduled emails, click on scheduled and it should be there. Now you can cancel send, click cancel send, and you're back to your email. So you can send it right away, but then you decided you want to schedule it. So you can click undo. Then again, you want to send the email anyway. So you click on send. And there you go. Your email has been sent. Click on send to check if your email is there. It's there. And that's it. That's how you're going to send an email. Thank you.